On stage again, the batch valedictorian and our co-lead, proudly of the PSE CPRS, PSE Senior Research Specialist, Micaela and Ku.
A pleasant evening to all. I'm not used to speaking before an audience, so I'm kind of nervous right now. Please bear with me. My whole work life has revolved within the confines of the exchange and the Philippine stock market. Fresh out of college, PSE became my second home. I've worked for the corporate planning and research section of the exchange for 4 years and counting now, and it honed me to be the professional that I am today. I am truly grateful for the scholarship granted by the exchange for a lot of reasons. But top of mind, it provided me an opportunity to further my knowledge and understand the stock market better. The course allowed me to experience what it was like to be on the other side of the fence, to be an investor, as I was so used to looking at the market from a regulator's point of view. From the stock trading game to technical analysis to ethics, this course broadened my knowledge on how the market lives from a different perspective. I learned the essentials of stock market investing, which I did not acquire from just working at the exchange. Armed with this new experience and learning, I am now better equipped to serve the exchange, as well as contribute to the development of the Philippine capital markets. This course also introduced me to the industry players themselves, my classmates and professors, who eventually became my friends. So thank you guys for the friendship, for sharing your market experiences, and also for pretending to listen to me while I was giving my lecture under PSEI. To my colleagues at the PSE, Mr. Mark Frederick Lista, my manager, and to the rest of the staff of CPRS, thanks for always having my back. To we, thanks for the company going to and from Ateneo. We formed quite a bond. To Mark Medino and the rest of CMDD, thanks for all your support. To TIRS and to Miss Meryl and Miss Veron, thanks for my hair and makeup. To the PSE management, thank you for giving me the chance to make the exchange proud. I hope, sir, this is not the last time that you will grant me a scholarship. Probably an MBA next year, sir. To the Ateneo CCE staff, thank you for paving the way for my modeling career. I'm your poster girl for a year. Fortunately or unfortunately, I don't know. To my family, especially my parents over there, thank you for all the love and patience. Last but most importantly, to the Lord above, thank you for making all things possible. Classmates, finally, after 4 months of hard work, we're now all certified security specialists. So congratulations to all of us.